Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about the desktop background in Windows 11. So you can change the background to whatever you want it to be. Now, this is set on a theme background, but if you go right click on the desktop, you can go into personalization, and then this is going to show you how you can change your background. It's the first one on the list. Once you click on it, it's going to take you into the background settings, and you can choose one of any of these pictures that's already on the list, or you can browse for a picture that's already on your desktop. So if you already got a picture in your folder, your picture folder or wherever, you can choose that picture instead. Now there's a few things you can do with the picture once you choose it. You can make it fill the screen, fit, stretch, tile, center, or span. And each one of those will give you different options, so you can just try them and see what it looks like to see what works best for you. The next option you got is solid colors. So you might not want pictures. You might be a person that just like plain old colors. So if you just like it all black or red or green, whatever color on the palette that they have listed here, you can choose from. So choose whatever color that floats your boat. But once you click on that color and you look at your desktop, you're going to see that your desktop changed to that particular color. The next option you got is Slideshow. Now, once you choose Slideshow, you click the browse, and then you choose the folder of pictures that you might want to have on the slideshow, personal pictures, whatever. Then you can choose when you want the pictures to change, every minute, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, 6 hours, or a day. So you can choose to shuttle the pictures by turning on that button. You can let the slideshow run even when it's on battery power. And the same thing with the slideshow, you can choose to fill, fit, stretch, tile, center, or span. So there you go. That's the slideshow settings. And like I said, once you choose the picture, it'll be that picture on your desktop. So that's the background personalization settings that you can adjust with. So now I'm going to show you a cool trick. So if you're on the desktop background, all you have to do is just right click on the desktop and you'll see it says next background. So what that's going to do is rotate through the different colors from the theme that you chose. So that's like a little trick there. You know, you might like the blue versus that reddish orange. So now you know you don't have to stick with that one color. You can choose different colors of what's available. All right. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for taking the time for watching. Have a good one. See you next time.